फर्क है। जब वो अपने ओन पे यूनिवर्सिटी होगा, किसी और जगह होगा, तो वो जिंदगी फर्क होगी। There will be a different matter of life when he is going to be outside from their mother and father, when they leave the parents. जब यूनिवर्सिटी तक चले जाते हैं तो बच्चों को समझ आती है कि किस जगह पर वो पल रहे थे, where they were being brought up when they go away. Unless and until they experience things of life, उस वक्त तक उनको समझ नहीं आती. People have to grow old. Joshua has to grow, Jeremiah has to grow, Jaden has to grow, Janaiah has to grow. All the kids in the family have to grow and to be a blessing. Why? Because God has placed these children in the hands of the parents. माँ बाप के हाथों में ये बच्चे खुदा ने दिए हैं ताकि वो बच्चे बढ़े और फले और फले. हमारी दुआ क्या है कि बदकार जब आते हैं तो वो खुदावंद ही उनसे दूर. When the wicked come,